to get her poor dog a bone. But when she got there, the property wouldn't give up. She had to feed the pup. So here is the story, the gush and the glory of how the old girl cleaned up.
Always rubbing, scrubbing, from morning until night. But just as soon when things go wrong, makes everything all right. In a wash tub there's no romance, but still I like to sing. And it's all because I wash the of His Majesty the King.
From royal socks and undies, I must squeeze the stud. I'm the ringer outer of the royal dud. My eyes are dim, my ears they buzz. I'm on the spot, my liver is shot. No, I ain't the man I used to was. All the ladies of the court looked upon me as a royal sport. I no longer can cavort. Guess I'm through, my breath is short.
He's getting thin, he can't drink his gin. Teeth are falling out, his hair's all fuzz. He's slipping fast, he just can't last.
No, he ain't the man he used to was.
No, he ain't the man he used to was.
cheer up. Why do you look so sad and grumpy? Cheer up. Why do you sigh? Cheer up. Your road to life is not so bumpy. Cheer up. Take it in high. Why do you sit around so humble? Mumble, jumble, groan and grumble. Cheer up. Ha-ha! A king should sing, for that will bring a smile. Be a regular guy.
Why, you made me a new man, see? Now I'd like to give you some reward. My whole empire. If you desire, speak and you shall have it. On my word.
Cheer up. Why do you look so sad at me? Cheer up. Why do you sigh? Cheer up. Your road of life is not so bumpy. Cheer up.